Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're uncovering the real price of your DNA and why companies profit from your genetic data. If you've ever taken a DNA test or thought about it, this video is for you. Let's get started. Maybe you were curious about your family tree or wanted to see if you have a hidden talent for sprinting. Like millions of others, you probably ordered an at-home kit from a giant like 23andMe or Ancestry. You spit into a plastic tube, mailed it off, and waited for a colorful PDF to arrive in your inbox. It feels like a simple transaction between you and a tech company. However, your small sample of saliva isn't just a key to your past. For these multi-billion-dollar companies, your genetic code is a high-value product they can sell over and over again. You might think you are the customer, but in many cases, your biological data is the actual stock. While you get a list of distant cousins, these corporations are making massive deals with pharmaceutical giants. Instead of investing in your long-term health, they are often cashing out on your most personal information. How your saliva becomes a product for big corporations. The journey from your mouth to a corporate database is faster than you might think. Once the lab processes your physical sample, it turns into a digital file. This file contains thousands of markers that define everything from your eye color to your risk for specific diseases. While the physical spit is usually destroyed after a while, that digital map lives on. Companies claim this data is de-identified, which means they remove your name and birth date. Unfortunately, genetic data is incredibly difficult to truly anonymize. Because your DNA is unique to you, it acts like a permanent biological social security number. Even without your name attached, researchers can often cross-reference other public records to find out exactly who you are. This hasn't stopped the industry from turning your code into a commodity. You pay a fee to get the test, but the company makes far more money on the back end by selling access to its massive database. The big business of selling your DNA to drug makers. The most profitable part of the DNA industry isn't the plastic kits sold during holiday sales. The real money comes from monetizing biological assets through partnerships with big pharma. For example, 23andMe signed a deal worth hundreds of millions of dollars with GlaxoSmithKline. This agreement gave the drug maker access to a treasure trove of human data to help develop new medications. Pharmaceutical companies love this because it saves them years of expensive trial and error. They can scan millions of profiles to find people with specific genetic mutations. Now you understand how your DNA can become a valuable product for big corporations. Be aware, stay informed, and think twice before you share your data. Stay tuned for part 2. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.